In this tutorial, we will be doing a language experiment in Psychopy. After launching Psychopy, exit the Trial tab. Next, insert new routine. Name it Exposure and click OK in the dialog pop-up box. Then the Exposure tab appears. Next, click the red T icon that says Text. Type everything you see in the pop-up screen here. Set the text to appear for just 1 second. For the text display, type "Hello, how are you doing tomorrow? It is lovely weatherby outside." Set it to constant, then click OK. Then exposure text appears on the timeline.